In this short video, I want to explain the use of a group of functions, very simple functions that we have in Microsoft Excel that we can use when we're working with a data set. But before, I will ask you to please subscribe to my channel and support the work that we're doing to try to spread, you know, uh, some knowledge of science, engineering, math, and physics. So the first that I want to do is to show you this function that is called count. So I can just put count and it count the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. So I can just count. We know that our data set have 100 elements. So here we got the 100. The next function I want to explain is the mean. In this case, we're going to use the function average. Average returns the average or arithmetic mean, right? So this is the function that we can use, average, if we want to find the mean of a data set. So I just select all my data values, and in this case we have a mean of 50.17. Then we have the median, and median return the median or the number in the middle of the set of given numbers. So we can select this function and this gives us the median of the data set. We don't have outliers here because remember that I generate this data set using run between, so all my numbers are between 20 and 80. I don't have numbers that are just very far from 80 or very far from 20, just below 20 and very far from 20, or above 80 or very far from 80. So we don't have outliers. That's why the mean and the median are very close. We also have the mode function. So remember that mode, in this case I'm going to use mode as an GL. That means it's a mode that returns the most frequently occurring or repetitive value in an array or range of data. So if I select this function and I select my values, here we have the mode. So the number repeated with more frequency here is just 35. And then finally, we're gonna use the function standard deviation. So when you find a standard deviation, you have a standard deviation for the population or a standard deviation for the sample. In this case, I will not use the standard deviation for the sample. I will just select the data values and then we go the standard deviation. So remember that the mean, the median, and the mode are measures of central tendency, while the standard deviation is a measure of the dispersion of our data set. Thank you so much for the attention. Please subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you in a future video.